Here at ESGI Tools stall at AMB 2024, they are one of the largest manufacturer of gear cutting tools in India and have a major market across the globe.
The company SG, it was started in 1991 by my two uncles, Mr. Naresh Gupta and his elder brother, Mr. Sushil Gupta. So Mr. Naresh Gupta is now the MD of the company. You know, it was a very modest beginning, and when we started making the tools for automotive segment, it was not an easy going. People were not really ready to believe that a company from India without any technical collaboration could produce the tools of such critical nature. And it was, because the quality of the tools directly impacted the quality of the gears, and the quality of gears directly impacted the quality of the vehicles. So they were right on their part, but I think it took a long time for us to convince them. And it was a slow and a gradual process. We started exhibiting in Indian exhibitions, and that is how we were able to take win region by region, customer by customer. And then then we started investing on the CNC machines, which were the top of the class in that segment, whether in inspection or in any product profile grinding section. And in last 15 years or so, there is a complete makeover of the plants in terms of capacities, which is almost now 5 times of what we were having 15 years back. It's not only the numbers, but it is the way that we have started producing the tools, which are now done mostly on the CNC machines.
We manufacture gear cutting tools, which includes like gear hobs, gear shaving cutters, shaper cutters, master gears, rack milling cutters, rotary cutters, and spline rollers. So we have recently also started manufacturing broaches. So like with the addition of the broaches, we have the complete setup of the gear cutting tools. So right now our focus is to expand our European market. So that is the reason we are like exhibiting in the overseas exhibitions and regularly participating in EMO also.
We take pride in the fact that we are the only indigenous make in India company who have come up this far without any technical knowledge. Yes, we have learned our hard way for the tools that we produce. Now I would say that the tools that are produced are best in quality, and we compete in the world market also with the leading manufacturers from Europe as well as America.